So I spent the whole day in my PJs and we're back in Baden and I need to start getting ready to meet with my friend. I need to stop doing that. Okay. Let's just start getting ready. I'm also like in such a Christmas mood, so I was like, no, it's mine.
But it's true, like men's clothing is so much more better than ours sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes I go to the men's section straight away.
Or like
Let's get out of here before Sandy wakes up again!
Open sesame!
So this is the washing machine, and then this is the bar, and then here's the machine. Okay, I'm gonna put this here while we take it.
gosh, this is gonna be so embarrassing.
That's fine. Can't see shit. This is so unsafe.
Yeah, I think it's dangerous. Okay, go ahead. This is fine.
Okay,
Okay, so what you do is you take the orange juice and you put it in your mouth,
yeah,
and then you take the blue curacao
But you don't-
and you don't slip it, and then you put it's pineapple juice, I think. Yeah, you put it in the mouth, and then you put the blue curacao in your mouth, and then you have to shake and then drink. Your mouth is the washing machine.
And what kind of alcohol is
This
this?
is blue curacao. I don't know if you know it. It's like a blue.
Is it sweet?
Yeah, it's sweet.
Can I dip my tongue in it?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Okay.
So first this.
Yeah, cheers, by the way.
Cheers. Okay, cheers. Oh my god.
You got this.
It's good. So good.
Told you it would be. Told you. I told you.
It's so good. This was so worth it.
It was hella worth it, right?
And it's a good one. Like it tastes
It
good.
tastes good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
And they did have it. Oh my god.
Yeah, it wasn't on the car. It wasn't on the menu.
No. It's like a secret. You have to be like, you know.
You have to be in the gang.
Local.
Yeah, you gotta be a local.
But we're in the gang.
Yeah, in the gang. The fuck.
Yeah.
No, but there's so much we need to do. Okay, you know what? Next time we hang out, but we need to make sure. No, we'll hang out a lot of times, but once in summer we have to go to my high school because it's better in summer.
Okay.
In the winter it's just super cold. Everything's cool. Oh, there you go. Yep. Yeah, okay, now. You sure? Okay.
Start not living the moment.
Yeah, we walked through there 2 minutes ago and everyone was just like standing there. The whole crowd just watched us enter, like that person. That was us a few minutes ago. Never mind.
Bureau des explorations spatio-temporelles, j'écoute.
Du glandier.
Bonjour, mon colonel.
Faites chauffer la colle du glandier, vous partez en mission.
Je vous écoute, mon colonel.
Une fondation helvétique nous commande un rapport spatio-temporel de l'exploration de l'histoire des mathématiques.
Mon colonel, les mathématiques et moi, ça fait 3 et je ne crois pas que je sois...
Parfait, le glandier. On voyage. Vous nous enverrez des cartes postales.
Un 9 moins un 9 égale 0. Ben, pour l'instant, ça va. Comme quoi?
C'est ce qu'on appelle compter sur ses doigts.
Gizeh, mercredi 4 avril, 4444 avant notre ère. J'ai l'impression qu'on arrive en plein déménagement. Plutôt en pleine salle de ménage. Ça, c'est un dialogue qui nous emmène vers une autre dimension, vieille fixe. Des vraies pyramides en 4 côtés. Et il faut un début à tout, fixe. C'est mieux comme ça? Tout à fait. Tant mieux. Alors, si monsieur veut bien reprendre les commandes, à vos ordres, capitaine. Les blanches feuilles. Si sa céleste ferblanterie veut bien remettre les gaz. Destination, capitaine? L'Europe. Parce que pendant ce temps-là, FX, sur le vieux continent, on constate une inactivité mathématique de presque 5 siècles. Alliance, 1450.
This is so close. No, other way. It just wouldn't fit into my bag because it's small, so small.